Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do the clustered shells stitch pattern. This is a fun pattern, and all you'll need to know how to do is a single crochet and a double crochet. If you need help with those, you can check down in the description below for links on how to do those stitches. So to get started, we want to do multiples of 6 plus 1. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to do a quick 18 chains plus 1 for a total of 19. Alright, now that we have our chains, to start you want to chain 3, and in the 4th chain from the hook, you want to work 5 double crochets in the same stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now we have 5 double crochets in the same stitch. We want to skip 2, and in the 3rd stitch we want to do a single crochet. Then we will skip 2 and work 5 double crochets into the next stitch. We will skip 2, single crochet in the 3rd stitch, skip 2, and work 5 double crochets into one stitch. Alright, and we will skip 2, single crochet, skip 2, and in the last stitch we'll work 3 double crochets. And you will always end your work, no matter which row you're on, with 3 double crochets in the last stitch. So now that we have our foundation, you see how we have little peaks and valleys? The single crochets and the double crochets. So we want to turn our work, chain 1, and single crochet in the 1st stitch. And this will be how we start every row. So in the single crochet spot from the previous row, we are going to work 5 double crochets into that one spot. And this will be our repeat for the whole entire pattern of working 5 double crochets in the single crochet spot from the previous row, and then working a single crochet in the middle stitch of the 5 double crochets from the previous row. So let's see that again. We're going to work 5 double crochets into the single crochet space from the previous row, then we're going to work a single crochet in the middle of the 5 double crochet cluster, and then we're going to work 5 double crochets into the single crochet space from below. Then we will work 1 single crochet in the middle of the cluster. And then just for this row, we're going to chain in between our chain 3 that we did to start out. So this is where we'll end with 3 double crochets. So you always want to remember, you start your work with a single crochet and you end your work with 3 double crochets. All right, let's see this one more time to make sure that we've got it. We want to start with a chain 1 and a single crochet to start out with. And then we'll work 5 double crochets in the single crochet space. And then 1 single crochet in the middle of the 5 double crochet cluster from the previous row. And that's our repeat. And this is fast, this is sped up. I don't actually crochet this fast. All right, here we are with our last single crochet in the cluster, and then right here we want to end our work with 3 double crochets. And that is how you do the clustered shells stitch pattern. Looks awesome, doesn't it? And you'll notice right here there's a little bit of a divot, but that's because if you do the next row over, you'll end up doing 3 double crochets to bring that even. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, and I hope that you have a happy crochet day.